Hi guys, so today I want to try out this Autoship that came in not too long ago. It is the Die Press Mega Watercolor Today Special they did a few months back. One of the Autoships, right? So this is the second one. The first one that came out was actually the Christmas one, which was actually supposed to be like one of the last ones, but there was some kind of little glitch in the system that we already got the other one first. But this is the Love one, and I did an unboxing of it. So today we're just going to jump right in and have a go here. Yeah, I don't really have a plan here. So it does, I don't know. It comes with 5x7 paper. I'll probably trim it down because, you know, I like to work in generally A2 sizing. So we'll do that. You know, maybe we'll pop one of these guys on here and just color it in, something simple and pretty. We'll see. Like I said, this is an Autoship. I don't believe it's available on HSN. I know the initial Mega, you know, the Today Special is available on HSN. It's on clearance. For like $40 or something. I don't know. If it's available, I'll link it for you guys. That would be an affiliate link, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Having said that, it won't have the auto ship option. Okay, so it's just that first iteration, which was like the bag and like the little palette you can work on and all kinds of, you know, bigger watercolor palette and all that. Oh, you know what? That reminds me. Okay, so I need to swatch. I suppose we'll start there. It does come with a metallic watercolor marker. This one happens to be lilac, and so it's this kind of thing. You just want to get it going. It really doesn't have that much color in it. It's more of an iridescent kind of thing like this, like my nails, you know. It's like an opalescent iridescent kind of addition it'll put on your projects. So let me grab, I do have it right here, and I have other extra things that I've put in here, but this is the Today Special when it was the Today Special. Looks something like that. I should probably zip it shut. I did not, and I'm getting a little dusty here. It's getting a little dusty, so I'll need to do that so I don't have, that's actually something else, but anyway, little particles here. We'll trim that down. We want to make swatches. I think I have a water brush. Yeah, that's already has some water in it. So let's make our swatches. And oh, that's so pretty. This one's called Cherry Red. Since I am using this guy, I'm gonna have to wipe it off every once in a while. Let me grab a paper towel. Okay, having said that, I think either this kit or the add-on had like a little sponge that you can wipe off on, but I'm just going to wipe it off like that and keep going. So the color might be a little mixed with whatever was there before, but I don't think so. Okay, I'll be right back. I'll come back when we go to the glitters, okay? Okay, and I have one last one to do here. Like a little fiber there. It's white, so I did go right into that from the gray and the blue, so maybe I got a little bit on there, but that's interesting that we have white. This one, I am curious of these. I haven't tried them yet because the other kit I didn't tutorialize it because I got it pretty much right around Christmas or right after, remember? It was kind of an odd time. And it has a glitter, so what I'm trying to do is really put a lot of water. I don't know how this is going to work. It seems interesting because it's like a chunky glitter. Oh, there's some on there. Let me do this one with less water and see if that works better. This one I put a ton of water. This one, nothing happened, so let me get that going a little more. I had a feeling this one's going to be harder to get out of the thing because it's just like compacted glitter. Okay, that's not working that well. Let me do a little something that might... I'm trying to see what this is made out of. Like, is it ink? Because it's scrapey. Sorry, guys. I don't know what else to do. If it's ink. And so I'm trying to see if it's mixed with something or is it just glitter that's like... Okay, you definitely got to break it up. Now, I don't know if that means it has something on here that... See this one? Now it's getting a lot looser. There we go. Interesting. I didn't know what to expect on that one at all. So maybe a lot of water, let it get in there, and then it just puts glitter on here like that. So I don't know if there's an agent, like a bonding agent, that's going to help keep that to your paper or what. You know, it's kind of interesting. Okay. So we did our swatch, so I'll have that here because that is important. I did want to see. I thought this was a black color. Obviously, this is deep green. Oops, sorry. This one. It looks black there, so it's green. Okay. This guy. I'm trying to decide if I'm just going to stamp it and then watercolor, or should we stamp it and do a little oh, what's it called? Heat embossing. Oh, we have this one, the little letter, which is very cute. Oh man. How big is this? Maybe we'll do this one. Okay, let me trim this down. I'll probably just stamp and, you know, not do the heat embossing. Sorry, I'm so close up. So 4 1/8. So it'd be more of a matte layer by 5 3/8. And basically, you can use a hybrid ink. I really like VersaFine because it's very nice and like heavy. You know, this is good for watercolor. I think it even tells you on the back there. Brings out the finest details. Yes, of course. Long-lasting pigment. Ink pad available. Longest lasting, sorry. Perfect for using watercolors to color stamped images. Stuff like that. Okay, so let me get this on here. Yeah, my little glitter, like the water is just rolling all over the place on that swatch, that middle one. So I'm just gonna suck that up. The other one, this one had way more water. This one, it seems like it's down, so that's good. So more water to get it going, less water to actually pick it up. So maybe not a water brush, I don't know. Let's see here. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm finally feeling better. Like Miranda went to school this morning feeling well. I think she's got her energy back. It's crazy flu going around and everything else going around, you know. But even right now, I went to drop Miranda off. There's like 2 cars parked where it's usually hard for me to find a parking spot right in front of the school. And so that lets me know more kids are absent, you know. And the teacher, she had texted or emailed whenever I had emailed her last week. She's like, oh, every day there's at least 5 kids gone since last week, the week before, you know. It's crazy. Let's see here. Okay, so I have both of those. I don't have to do these both at the same time, but I guess I will. And maybe I should, okay. I was saying maybe I should clear out what's underneath here. I have all these things going, but that's all right. So I hope you're all staying healthy and safe and, oh my goodness. I don't watch regular news or news anymore because I'm good. I don't need it. Hear the news. And so maybe they are talking about that. I don't know. But I feel like it just came out of nowhere. Everyone getting sick. There we go. Ooh, that looks nice. I think that's good. I don't think I need to do it again. I like the way this looks, you know. Again, it's watercolor paper, so it has a texture to it. But this looks good. All right. We're going to let that dry for a little bit. Again, for me, VersaFine ink, I feel like it takes forever to dry. It tells you on there fast drying. But it shouldn't be a problem even when we go into color. But I'm going to leave it alone for a little bit. And I'm also going to see if I have my water brushes, if they're ready, loaded with water. Some of the finer ones, right? We have some smaller things. Yeah, so like this one doesn't have any water in it. And maybe these two. And the one I just used. Okay, so these guys I don't need. I'll be back. Just going to open these guys up. And then it's funny because I always feel like they twist counterclockwise. But I guess if you're looking at the lid, then they do twist the right way. I don't know. But either way, twisting them out that way. I get some water in them. I'll be right back. Okay. What's funny is that you can actually write something on here, I guess, if you wanted to. That'd be really cute. I'm going to take some of these smaller ones. And I'm going to take some of the blue. I don't know, guys. So if our little envelope is like white, we can bring in a little. Again, I'm doing wet on dry. But if you want to do wet on wet, you know, you can do whatever you want. Whatever you think is better. That was a little bit too much water. I'm going to dab some of that off. And then that basically takes everything off. So I'm just going to take a little of this. And I mean, honestly, I was just going to take the blue and just kind of do some accents here and there. Because if it's a white envelope, maybe it has like a little blue tone, right? Okay. And just a little bit here and there. Okay. And then maybe on our letter, another little something. And honestly, that'd be very, very cute, I think, if you wrote a little something on here for someone. Or you can color it, right? So then we also have the gray. And gray is a very interesting one. So I'm going to take that and just kind of get some out here like a shadow. You know, just a little something. I don't know, something like that. Okay, green leaves. And we have the green, obviously you have the full kit. I mean, well, obviously, oh, I guess I would say obviously if you have this, then you probably have the full kit because you had to get in that. I'm gonna put a little extra water down here just to grab it and not squeeze this. That way I can control it a little bit more. So if I squeeze this, maybe too much water is gonna come out, but if I get it from here, okay. Like that, a little bit of water. Okay. And we're just gonna get this going. So I'm gonna go in and do a little greenery wherever I see green, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, I think that's it. And cherry red, rose red, pink. I mean, what are we looking at? Magenta shimmer. Maybe I'll take some of this cherry red. Might have gotten a little too much water on there. And I'm just adding it some here, guys. I'm not... Someone said something about me being a colorist. I wish. I'm not even close. So I'm just adding some color here and there. That is the darker color, in my opinion, in this set. So I'm just adding some of that. And then maybe, ooh, I don't know, rose red or the pink? They seem to be very different, but let's come in here with the rose red. And this one is a little bit lighter in color. And you can always come back in with that darker one and then just add a little more. And I'm trying to make it so it's not all super duper colored in, you know, leaving some white areas. I don't know. So let's go in here. Now it's getting a little bit thicker. You see how dark that was? In there. I want more water to pull that out. There we go. So like that. And then this guy. There we go. A little bit lighter. Oopsie. So I got that in the leaf, but you know, that's fine. Okay, so let's do that and then go back to the darker red. Just gonna grab a little bit of that. Adding it here and there where like the petals kind of do their thing. Maybe in there. I don't know, something like that. A little bit there. Maybe a little here. Maybe. Just a little more. Okay. Something like that. I don't know. I feel like I put too much color in this one. So I'm just using water to pick some of that color up and soften it a little bit. Okay. Especially compared to this guy. This guy came out really light on the edges. And here I still have a ton color. Let me pick some of that up. All right. Should we go back to the gray? And just kind of bring it in here in places. Yeah. Right there. And a little bit here. It just kind of makes it look like the light's coming in from over here. I don't know, guys. Okay. One more thing. Should we use this guy? Let's open this up. I love the way it comes packaged very like royally. It's very pretty. Again, give it a little bit of a, not so much a shake, but just something. We're going to take this black ring off and then go ahead and put that back in there. And I'm giving it a squeeze, and you'll see the liquid start coming up in here. Hopefully you see that. And then it gets to the tip of the, there it goes. I don't know if well, I guess we can, I'm not sure why I put it on there. I'm like dabbing in there. Add a little sparkle here and there. No, this is water on water, so it will reactivate, you know, the watercolor. So just keep that in mind. I wasn't going to do that. What I was thinking about doing more than anything, oh, no, don't want to pick that up, is get some of it just like on here. Oh, yeah, I can kind of see it there. Once it dries, hopefully we'll see it better. You can see that. So maybe I'll put a little more all over this so that the envelope looks a little bit shiny. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry and I'll be back. Just gonna clean up. Okay guys, so we have that. And then we have this piece, and hopefully you can kind of see that. There it is, that shimmer. It leaves a little bit in the flowers. And I just have a black card base, A2 size, and I cut my paper at 4 1/4 in the width, and then scored at 5 1/2 so it stands up like this kind of thing. I think that's a fun way to present something like this. That way the person can put it on their desk or table or wherever, counter, you know, like that. Let's see. Nope, I was getting quite a bit on there. Again, the paper was dry, so it was wet on dry, and you know, it just doesn't suck it up as much, and it didn't get as warped as if you were to wet the whole paper. But you can definitely wet the paper and then put in your color. It just does a different kind of look. Come on. So it needs to come down a little bit, but I used my Tonic Nouveau. So it's just like, nope, we're here. No. Hold on. That is way off. Okay, well, this is good. It's gonna get, I'm gonna turn this over. Flatten out from this back side. And that is our card, guys. So just simple kind of note card kind of thing. Very cute. You can still write something in there, personal. I think that's a cute, fun idea. I was gonna say cute, and I keep saying cute, so try to change what I was gonna say. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you tried out your kit, what you think of those little glitter bits. And again, if I was, you know, gonna be putting that on here, I wish I didn't, but I would really grab a good amount. Look at that. Ooh, I don't know where to put this. I already used some of the other stuff, but let's add a little here, I guess. Why not? Okay, a little in there. I'm just very lightly tapping that because I don't want to reactivate anything. Okay, just a little something here and there. Just a little glitter. Okay, there we go. So yeah, just let that really reconstitute and then place it wherever you like. Very cool. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I will have images coming up. Again, links is available in the description box, possibly embedded in the video here. And I will see you all at the next one. Oh, actually, I like that glitter. Okay, bye now.